Good morning, guys.
Welcome to our Odyssey.
We are here in semi-sunny Spain trying to make the most of the rest of the summer, which is totally over, but we're trying to savor every moment of it. So after 100 days on the road, 13 countries and 15,000 kilometers, we are going to take you guys on a tour of our micro camper, Red Tornado.
So let's go! Hi, I'm Lavi and this is Ollie. Over the past 4 years we have been on some epic adventures around the world. Now, after converting an old van into our new home on wheels, we are ready to hit the road and explore the wonders of Europe. Click the subscribe button to follow our journey and let the adventure begin.
We're going to start with the cab. And you can see that we've tried to keep the red theme of Red Tornado here. So we found this throw and this nice contrasting yellow pillow. Just from a charity shop. It just cost like £5 or something. So on the floor we have a bit of carpet, and on top of it, for extra comfort, we bought these, which are absolutely amazing. They're called Chindi rugs, and we bought them online for like £1.70 each. I'm gonna link the place we bought them from in the description, but they add a really nice colourful touch to the van, and they're super cheap, and you can just bring them out the van and just dust them off. So super useful and super beautiful. This is the garden. We're growing here some basil, some mint and some rocket. Along the dash you can see here we've got an anti-slip mat. Now I would definitely recommend that you have one of these on your dash, because it's amazing. You can just literally throw like this pot here. It doesn't matter if we've been going up mountains, down mountains, anything. This has not moved, and that was just from a pound store, so it cost like £1 or something. Also from the pound store, down here we've got a basket to put some electronics, random stuff that we need whilst driving. This is our aircon, which is also from a pound shop. Look, who needs a professional aircon system when you have this? Look, absolutely cool. So this is our inverter. It's a 200 watt inverter. You can have enough power to power like charging a computer, charging a drone battery, charging our phones with the USB slots, and that just goes into the cigarette lighter. That was about £40. Oh, it's starting up. That was about £40 from Amazon. Here on the gear stick, this is just a nice touch, I thought. It's actually a hacky sack ball, because that's the original gear stick. So that's quite cool. This at the front is our always calm llama. It doesn't matter what situation you're in, and we've been in some crazy stressful situations. The always calm llama is always just sitting there, and he's stuck to the dash so he never moves. So here on the driver's seat, we bought some seat covers and a steering wheel cover from Amazon. The steering wheel cover was about £11, and the seat cover came as a set of 2, and those were like £25. Up here we have all kind of useful things, a toolbox. We have all our documentation for the car and for traveling, passports and everything. So there's actually a massive space up here to fit quite a lot of stuff, and you can't go wrong with a bit of bunting.
I will talk you through our kitchen. So we have covered our kitchen with a nice little curtain that it looks always nice and pretty. We got this throw as well from an op shop. It was actually like a little long skirt thing, but we cut it in half and we sew it together that it looks like this now. So it's very pretty. On top here we have a bucket with all our cutlery and pans and Tupperware and cooking pots. we have our nice kettle for the coffee. So here we have 2 compartments. We have one compartment here with our cool bag where we keep fresh stuff, and then we have another compartment with couscous, pasta, all you need to sustain yourself. We have here in the side as well like our soya milk, our coffee. And then it's always quite nice as well because you can see through, so you can find quite easy what you're looking for. Often you are like, oh, where is the nice olives, where's the pasta, where's this, where's that, you know, just to make it a little bit more clear. So when we are ready and hungry, ready to cook something, we will get out our cooker. Our cooker is just here, it slides in quite nicely. Our cooker and our table both fits quite nicely in here. Just we left a little bit space, especially for these 2 things. It's a beautiful table. We got it from Decathlon for £15. Set up our cooker. Everything you need. So that's our kitchen.
So this is the bedroom. Underneath is our wardrobe. Here we have our beach towels. We have each one underwear and sock bag. And here we have our storage tub, which has all of the clothes that we have. This is everything we have, and this is divided in 2, and we kind of try to use the KonMari method of folding to keep everything like easily visible and easily accessible, but sometimes after a while it kind of ends up just a big mess, but at the moment it looks quite nice. So here we have our laundry bag, we have a picnic blanket. Here is a water storage, which is 3 5-litre containers, and those are like the easy access containers. Behind everything here underneath, we actually have an extra 25-litre container, which is right next to the spare tire, which is also underneath the bed, but we don't really often get the 25-litre container out. That's just if after a few days, if we can't find any water anywhere, then that's like a good backup for us. Just underneath the bed, we have our yoga mats, and we have here a guitar, a ukulele, a harmonium, which is kind of like a big box accordion. So we have quite a lot of impractical stuff, but quite a lot of fun stuff, so that's good. Here at the side, we have our chairs, and this completes our camp dining room setup. These ones we bought, actually I think from Facebook Marketplace secondhand for like £10 or something. There you go. This is our nice alfresco dining area. So, back to the bedroom.
Here's so many birds.
And they've just been flying around us all morning. I think aesthetically it's quite important to kind of cover all the storage areas. So this one we just screwed in just another sort of scarf that we got from a charity shop, and we also have some bunting for good measure because you can't get enough bunting around the car. It just looks so pretty. Also, this was really cool. We bought on Amazon for like £5 or something a massive sticker set, and they're all like adventure themed. So we've got like let's go on an adventure, we've got some camping setups. On the other side we stuck a load more, and we also stuck them on the inside, but we'll show you that after. So that is our beautiful bedroom and underbed storage.
I show you now our bathroom slash office. So here you can see first we hung up on a hook a nice towel for our hands. We have just next to it our water tub,
which is another 2-litre bladder.
So here in this bag we have all we need to brush our teeth, toothpaste, soap, all the essentials. Like these hooks, they are just amazing. We can just slide them in here. We have holes already in the car body, so that's absolutely amazing. Then in this bag we're keeping as well water in like 1.5 litre bottles. We have a nice organizer here where we keep our brush. We keep our like first aid kit stuff. Then we have a shaver here. This seat cover came in a pack, so we have identical covers in the front, in the back here. Then we have another chimney rack here, our recycling bin, and our shoes in this box. And then we have all our electronics in this box here. And for our office, it's very easy as well. We have our nice seat here, and we just take a pillow, we put it on our lap, and then we have this really nice boards. Like this is just amazing with the soft bottom. So
and what does it say on it?
Home is where you park it. And then we can, you know, when we edit our stuff, we can do it easily from here. It's very comfortable actually.
Whoa.
Yeah? Very nice. I have to work now. Hello.
Wait, do you get editing noise again?
So yes, that's our bathroom slash office.
Now, last but not least, this is our limited inside space. Some cool features on the inside here are this cargo net that we hung from the roof is super useful just for chucking things that you kind of need to use every now and again. We've got strung all the way around this string, which is also on these little hooks, which are so cool. It's the same hooks that we use up here, and those ones we just screw them straight into this, and it's amazing. This string is super useful because we have in this little bag loads of bits of fabric. If you really want to block out light and everyone else, then you can use these little pegs that we got from Amazon for like £1, and you can just like hook up the sheets all the way around, and that's super useful. And another amazing tip for van life is these things, neodymium magnets. These are super useful. We can sort of hang that up, and then we can just put that up against the van, secure that sideways so that we can sleep in comfort and in darkness and peace. Also, this string doubles as a support for the fairy light system, which is basically 2 sets of fairy lights that we got from a pound shop, which make a really beautiful ambience in the evening. So one thing that's super useful when you're living in a van is to cover the bed with a throw, so that all of the dirt and dust that you, as you're opening and closing the doors and coming in and out, you can protect your bed so that the bed's not sandy, and also it adds a nice aesthetic touch. We've got some more throw pillows, just if we want to sort of sit up inside of here, then you can sort of put a load of pillows together, so it's always useful to have a load of pillows. A couple of extra small aesthetic things that we really like is this world map that we've pinned to the ceiling. You know, you can just lie down and kind of decide, where do I want to go next? Greenland! I think that's quite cool for inspiration. And also we've got some sort of travel pictures up around the top as well. Here, that was already built into the van, is this little compartment that we have at the side of the bed, which is super useful for keeping like night stuff like earplugs, Kindles, diaries, everything like that. We also have a few more of those stickers, our favorite stickers that we've stuck all on the inside here and here and here. It just gives you a lot of nice things to look at whilst you're inside. That's really nice. So that is our super tiny but super cozy little bedroom. I forgot to mention, the bedroom and the cab are divided by this curtain, and you've got a little shower rail, which we got from Amazon for like £8. That one, the curtain comes all the way across, and we sewed in these little Velcro bits, and the Velcro just goes up against the edge like that, so you can have complete privacy.
So we really, nice.
Wow, so many birds.
We really hope that you enjoyed our little camper tour.
It really is a micro camper setup, but it really works for us, and we've been cozy here and we've been happily living in this for the last 100 days, so we're pretty happy with the setup. But if you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other suggestions for us, then please write those in the comments, because you know, it's a constantly evolving process and you can always improve on something. So this is just how we think it's best at the moment, but you know, if you have some cool ideas, please let us know and we can try and incorporate those in. But yeah, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
We will see you next time.
If you enjoyed watching this video, you would help us a lot by subscribing to the channel by clicking here.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We will see you next time.